Hey, this is Alice from Animax. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to record your screen and embed it in your video. Let's get started. To start capturing your screen, select the screen recording tool from the menu. This will open a new window where you will be able to see the preview of the video once recorded. Click on Start Recording button and select the source. You can choose a specific tab, a window, or the entire screen. You might be asked to adjust your permissions to start recording. In this example, we're going to choose a tab. Click on Share after selecting your source. The screen capture is now in progress and records all users' actions. Once you are done with your screencast, simply click on Stop Sharing button. You can now switch back to the previous tab. Animax will load the preview of your recorded video. You will be given an option to download the video to your computer or to upload it to the server and use in your current composition. Here you can adjust the duration and size of the screencast and apply transitions and animations to make it look exactly as you want. And that's it! Your screencast is ready. You can export your video as usual or upload it straight to your YouTube account. Visit us at Animax.ai and subscribe on YouTube and LinkedIn to get access to tutorials and exclusive offers.